Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if Samsung Galaxy A15 not receiving MMS messages. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on connections. And here click on mobile networks and then click on access point names. Now here click on email and then go back to settings. And now in settings click on apps. Now in apps scroll down and here click on messages. And now go to the storage of messages. Now clear the app data and cache memory of messages app. Now click on delete to confirm and then go back to settings and click on general management. And then in general management scroll down and click on reset. And here scroll down and click on reset all settings. Now here again click on reset settings to confirm and then enter your lock screen password.